Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to do the selling on Amazon. There are many models which we follow um, uh, to do the business on Amazon, but the most popular ones are Amazon private label and Amazon wholesale. So Amazon private label is a little more expensive than Amazon wholesale, and because in Amazon private label we just select a few products to sell, uh, and the margins are high in it, but the budget is also high as compared to wholesale. Uh, if there is some points to note in Amazon private label for the understanding. So first, you select the product, and this is totally depends on your budget, how much you can spend, and so this can be highly priced or low price product with good potential to sale. And after the selection you do the patent check, so this product should not be patented by someone else, otherwise you can't sell it. Amazon will ban your account. This is, or you need a permission from that seller. After the patent check, you do the manufacturing of the product. Then you then you do the trademark. Um this is to save your listings, uh, to make it sure that nobody can hijack your listings and start selling at low price. So after that you will do the marketing, and this is the process uh, which will be ongoing uh, during the sale as well. So this is the whole private label. After that we can see wholesale business. This is little different from private label in the sense that you don't need to manufacture it. You go to the brand, and you ask permission for selling their products. Permission is important because if you're not taking it, Amazon will ban your account. So you need to take the permission. It's mandatory, and then you will purchase from the distributor or the brand or the manufacturer directly, and then uh, you do the marketing. The key is here, you don't need to do a patent check, you don't need to do the trademark. But the thing is, private label is more profitable as compared to wholesale, because uh, margins are low in wholesale, uh, and obviously then wholesale you need less budget as compared to private label. Hope this will give you some idea about Amazon business, how to do it, and thanks for watching.